Okay, this is a quick educational update about Social Security and what's happening on March 7th. I want to make sure you have the right information because I've been seeing a lot of confusion online. On March 7th, the Social Security Administration is rolling out a new national system for scheduling appointments and processing claims. This is an internal administrative change. It does not reduce benefits, it does not change eligibility rules, and it does not affect your monthly payment amount. What's changing is how cases are assigned. Instead of everything being handled strictly by your local office, claims may be processed by staff anywhere in the country. The goal is to balance workload and improve efficiency. Okay, so what is not changing? Your benefits are not being cut. Your eligibility rules are not changing. Your monthly payment amount is not changing. There could be some short-term adjustment delays as the system transitions, but this is not a policy change. It's purely administrative on the back end. If you're thinking about filing soon, timing still matters, but not because of this update. It's about your personal strategy, when to claim, how to maximize your benefits, and how this all fits into your overall retirement picture. That's what I help people evaluate every day. I'm Sean Madison, a registered Social Security analyst and licensed insurance agent. Call or text me at 702-605-6038 and we can walk through your specific situation.